Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change slide duration in Canva. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a video, or even a digital invitation, controlling the timing of each slide can make all the difference in how your project flows and how effectively it communicates your message. Let's dive in and ensure your audience's attention is perfectly captured every step of the way. First, navigate to the Canva website and log into your account. Once you are in, open the existing design you wish to modify or start a new project if you're working from scratch. Within Canva, each project is composed of slides or pages. These are crucial units that you can control to dictate how long each piece of content is displayed. Now, find the slide or page for which you want to adjust the timing. Click on it to ensure it's selected. Once it's open, you'll need to look for the timer icon, typically located on the top of the editing panel. This will allow you to modify the length of time that each slide plays in your presentation or video. When the timer settings appear, you'll see options to set the duration. You can either use the slider or input the number of seconds manually. Be sure to think about the pacing of your presentation. Too quick and your viewers might miss important details. Too slow and they might lose interest. Try to strike a balance that keeps your audience engaged but informed as you adjust the timing for each slide. Remember that consistency can be key, especially if you're presenting multiple slides with similar visual content. However, if a slide contains a particularly dense amount of information or needs extra emphasis, don't hesitate to give it a few extra seconds. Once you've set the desired durations for your slides, it's time to preview your project. This crucial step ensures that you see exactly how your audience will experience the presentation. Click on the play button or navigate to the preview option within Canva. As you watch through, take notes on any elements that might not be displaying as you'd hoped, whether they're too fast or too slow. This allows you to make further tweaks and adjustments as needed until you get the timing just right. When you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, you're ready to finalize your project. You can either save your work for future edits, share it directly through Canva, or download it in your desired format to present or upload elsewhere. And there you have it. A simple but effective way to control your slide duration in Canva. By paying close attention to timing, you can create a more engaging and professional presentation. Thanks for watching and happy designing.